Modern minds are trained for interruption, not depth. Most people can no longer stay with one thought long enough for it to become meaningful. And without depth, the mind loses cognitive power. The collapse of sustained attention. Human cognition evolved for continuity, for long observation, for deep processing, for extended focus. But modern systems optimize the opposite. Interruption. Novelty. Reaction. Stimulation. The brain adapts to whatever environment repeatedly surrounds it, and eventually, attention itself becomes fragmented. The economy of interruption. Modern attention is economically valuable. Every platform competes for it. Every notification interrupts it. Every algorithm fragments it. The problem is not only distraction. The problem is cognitive conditioning. The brain slowly learns depth is unnecessary. Reaction becomes the dominant mental mode. And over time, thinking becomes shallower. Why depth matters. Depth creates clarity, creativity, understanding, memory, emotional processing, identity coherence. Without depth, the mind remains on the surface of itself. Many people consume enormous amounts of information while understanding very little deeply. The fragmented mind system creates fragmented cognition. Thoughts cannot stabilize. Emotions cannot fully process. Reflection becomes difficult. Silence becomes uncomfortable. The modern mind becomes trapped in partial attention, never fully engaged, never fully present, always cognitively divided. The return of deep work. Deep work is not productivity culture. It is cognitive restoration. It is the rebuilding of sustained awareness, the rebuilding of mental continuity. Depth is a neurological environment, and environments can be reconstructed. Practical reconstruction. Recovery begins with reduced interruption, longer uninterrupted focus windows, single-task environments, silence, reduced digital switching, attention stabilization. At first, depth feels difficult because the brain adapted to fragmentation. But slowly, continuity returns. And when continuity returns, thought becomes stronger again. The real crisis of modern distraction is not lower productivity. It is the destruction of internal depth. Because shallow attention eventually creates shallow perception, and shallow perception weakens consciousness itself. The ability to focus deeply may become one of the rarest psychological skills of the modern era. And those who rebuild it may experience reality differently from everyone else.